Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up.
Alright you all, today's video is sponsored by Ashimaryhair. Let's first look at all the goodies that came inside my packaging. They sent us over this blonde balayage 26-inch lace front wig. This wig features a transparent lace and it comes pre-plucked to perfection. This wig also features a full 13x4 lace for full parting space, and you also get plenty of adjustable straps and combs in the inside to wear it glueless. Let's get into this install. Today we'll be using our Ruby Kisses number 16, the darkest shade in the palette, and we're going to put that all over the lace, then spray it with hairspray and blow dry.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts.
Now we are going to position this wig on her head, making sure that the hairline of the wig is in front of her cap line, and then we're going to proceed to sew it down with blonde thread. I've already applied the glue in the shape of her hairline, and now I'm going to smooth it back as evenly as possible. Make sure that each layer turns clear before you apply the next. Today we did 3 layers. Her last layer has turned clear, so let's go ahead and lay that lace down. Using our blow dryer interchangeable between warm and cool air on high speed, we're going to blow dry this lace for about a minute. Go ahead and tie down your lace with your elastic band for about 10 minutes. Our 10 minutes are up, so let's take off that elastic band and proceed to cut off our excess lace. You can use the eyebrow razor that came inside your packaging to help assist you. Once you finish cutting off your excess lace, go ahead and take your hairspray. Today I'm using my red Eben spray, and you're going to spray that from a distance all over the hairline, and you're going to tie it down with your elastic band. As you can see, we are not doing any baby hairs today. And I just want to say I love the way that Ashimary colored this wig for us fresh out the box. Like, I didn't have to do anything to this wig. I didn't wash this wig. I didn't pluck this wig. Like, and look at this color and this sheen. Like, this wig is bomb. Like, get into it. So now we're going to press it bone straight. I'm using my Beyond the Zone, turn up the heat spray, and my Conair flat irons, 2 inches. And we're just going to press this hair. Make sure you don't press the hair higher than like 400, 410 degrees because this is a colored wig. And I've noticed that if you press colored hair on a high heat like 450, your hair tends to like change colors and it can get really frizzy and just, it can get fried. So keep the iron on about 410 degrees or lower to get the best results. We are done pressing this hair and let's get into that color and that luster, y'all. This is so beautiful. But before we finish, I am going to trim the ends. When you're wearing your hair bone straight, or really to me, any kind of style, I like to trim the ends just to give it a more fuller and a blunt look. It just looks more presentable in my opinion. And then we're going to take our flat irons again and give the hair a slight bevel in the ends. And y'all, we will be all done. Let's get into our final look. Once again, I want to thank Ashimaryhair for sending me this bomb blonde balayage wig. Make sure you check the description box below. I thank you all so much. Goodbye.